In today's video we'll be discussing about PetCare of our PetCare app using Flutter. So in this video I have integrated the login APIs for our PetCare app for Flutter. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, I will show you a demo for this. So first of all, also make sure that you start your Node.js server like the tutorial which we did, and yeah, so I will just show you the output. So I will click on login. I have also set up the navigation for this. So I will just enter. So this is an already registered user. So if you don't have a registered user, please do register it by following my Node.js tutorial. So click on login. Yeah, and it redirects to the dashboard. So yeah, that's it. So let's get started. So first of all, what I have done, go to Android, go to app, src main, android manifest.xml. Here to be honest with you, I have not tested this for Android yet, but I'm not sure you will have to add this. Android uses clear traffic to true. Also you need to add the uses permission of internet. Wait, I don't want to make any mistake. So what I'll do is I'll just open this inside Android Studio just so that I don't make any mistakes as such. Okay, so what I can do is, of course there might be some issues with the design on Android as well, like we will definitely rectify those, but yeah, just wanted to at least get the API integrated for this video. So uses permission, internet. Okay, so this is done. Another Gradle sync will finish in some time. Okay, I don't save. I'll go back over here. Okay, yeah, the permission is added. Cool. Next, what you have to do is I don't think I have made any other changes in the main Android folder as such. Next, go to iOS, go to runner, info.plist, and here because I am using localhost, here you will have to add this. If you have already deployed that Node.js server to Amazon or some other provider, then you don't have to add this, but given that I'm using localhost, I will have to add this. Okay, I think that should be it. Next, inside our lib folder, I have created a block called login block, and I have added rx dart to our pubspec.yaml. I will just show you our pubspec.yaml. I have Go router, Google Fonts, Flutter SVG, HTTP as well as rx dart. Next, I will go to login block. Here I have added like what all things we are tracking inside the login screen. Like I need to track email and password when the user types something. I need to tag progress bar in case there is an API request, and what is the and this login response model is what a response we get from this login API, and in case there is an error, I have created a variable for that. Now we need to create functions for the same, which I have added over here. Then we need a stream of responses for each and every one, which I have added over here, and the actual value, so which are over here. Next, I have combined. I have not really used this. I think I forgot to use this, but this is for checking. Suppose you want to make the button disable until the email and password are properly entered, you can use this submit check. And I have, I think, also added this validator as well. So these are email and password validators. Next, on dispose, I want to close everything, and this is the login user function. So I'm just making an http.post call to our login URL, and this is our headers, and inside that I'm passing email and password value. Inside this you will get the response. So if the response is correct, I'm changing it to over here. If not, I'm changing it to the error value and dismissing our progress bar. and in case of exception I'm handling that as well. And this is how our login response model looks like. Next, inside PetCare button I have added this, uh, like I have forgot to add the login button, so I have reused this PetCare button to make this icon nullable. So if it is nullable, don't display it, otherwise display it. So this is over here. I think everything else remains the same. Next I have added this getting started. Inside getting started I have added this. So on the login button click, we need to navigate to the login route, and inside login.dart, so I have added this email focus node, password focus node, so that we can move from one text field to another text field when the user clicks on next or on done. And here I am disposing everything in the dispose function, and inside the init method I am listening for the login response. Once it is submitted, if it is proper, I am redirecting to the dashboard. In case of any error, I am displaying an alert box. And this login text field is wrapped with a stream builder. So this is listening for email, and inside on changed I am changing the email value. Similarly for password as well, I am changing the password value. Next I have taken a row. This I have already explained. Here I have taken a progress bar, so it should be displayed once the progress is equal to true. So I have added this visibility notifier to it as well. Next, instead of constants, so here I have defined our base URL as well as our login URL, and these are like normal constants, and these are for the error message. Okay, and then inside extensions I have one for hide keyboard, sorry, and this is for showing the message dialog in case there is some error message or we need to alert the user. Next, inside validator I have added two validations. First one is for email, second one is for password. You can change it to whatever you want. Next, inside main.dart I have made the initial route as getting started, and yeah, so yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.